Are you looking for the best pellet grill? In this video, we'll break down the top pellet grills available, whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best pellet grills on the market, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the Trager Lil Tex Elite 22 pellet grill. We'll start the list with the Lil Tex Elite 22. With this model, the people from Traeger achieved their goal of making the ultimate wood pellet grill. This model offers 6 different functions in one grill. You can choose between various temperature settings to bake, roast, braise, grill, smoke, or barbecue your food to utter perfection. The Lil Tex Elite 22 has an integrated digital controller that keeps the temperature in the range of plus or minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit and is very easy to use. The temperature goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is clearly seen on the LED display. A simple on-off switch is used to start grilling. The porcelain grates are easy to clean and no meat will stick to them. This grill covers 418 square inches of space, which is enough to accommodate 4 whole chickens or 16 burgers. The pellet hopper capacity is 18 pounds, and advanced durability is achieved thanks to the solid steel construction and powder coat finish. Here's how it all works. You put your pellets into the hopper. The auger will pull just enough pellets into the fire pot where they can be ignited by the hot rod. An induction fan kindles the fire, while the smoke and heat circulate through the barrel. All the excess grease will be removed and land on the drip tray. Overall, this is an excellent pellet grill made to satisfy all of your culinary impulses. But beware, once you try it, there's no going back. At number 2, we have the ZGrills ZPG450A pellet grill. Here we have a truly amazing pellet grill that is also pretty affordable. It features great versatility as an ultimate 7-in-1 combo. Feel free to choose between the following options: baking, roasting, grilling, smoking, searing, and braising. This model features fan-forced convection cooking, which removes the need for a rotisserie. The ZPG450A is a user-friendly pellet grill with a large digital control board on which all of the options are presented with LED display. Choose between temperatures ranging from 180 to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, and it will be controlled with utmost precision. The grill produces an optimal amount of smoke, which means you will be saving money in comparison with regular, less economical grills. This is a fairly large pellet grill, with a grilling area of 450 square inches. The hopper can take up to 20 pounds of pellets, which is more than enough for a day's work. A foldable working shelf and all-terrain wheels can take care of portability and practicality. The cover and racks are completely rust-proof and will last you for a long time. Simply put, this is an amazing grill that will satisfy all of your cooking needs. At number 3, we have the Camp Chef Woodwind SG24 pellet grill. The Woodwind SG24 is a high-end model that offers an absolutely monstrous cooking area of 811 square inches, which is enough to feed the whole block. The Woodwind utilizes smart smoke technology, so just stand aside and let it do all the work. As expected, this is a versatile 7-in-1 model, but what sets it apart from other pellet grills is the fact that it comes with a sear box. It reaches temperatures up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit with no problem, giving you a crisp, caramelized finish. Dual meat probes deliver you an accurate temperature, giving you more control. Thanks to the sliding grill technology, the Woodwind utilizes 2 completely different flavor profiles. You will be known as a grill master in no time. The hopper capacity is 22 pounds, making it the largest on our list. For easier cleaning, the folks at Camp Chef have constructed an ash cleanout system that you won't find anywhere else. All of these features amount to one of the best pellet grills around. At number 4, we have the Trager Lil Tex Elite 34 pellet grill. The Lil Tex Elite 34 is the big brother of the previous Traeger model. As expected, this model also offers 6-in-1 versatility so that you can bake, smoke, barbecue, roast, or grill your food to absolute deliciousness. Once your food is inside, the digital Elite controller will guarantee that the temperature doesn't fluctuate, so your food will always be grilled evenly. The temperature is set easily by turning a dial, and it can be easily read on the LED screen. The Lil Tex Elite 34 offers you 646 square inches of space, which is enough to grill 6 chickens or over 20 hamburgers. Traeger's hardwood pellets are recommended if you want pure wood flavor without any of the fillers or binding agents. The grill can easily be moved thanks to the Easy Glide wheels, which can also be locked. And after all the meals are done, you won't spend much time cleaning your grill, thanks to the non-stick porcelain grill grates. This high-end model also offers excellent durability as it is constructed out of steel. All in all, it's another amazing pellet grill coming from Traeger and is ideal for big backyard parties. Your guests will be delighted. And for our final pick at number 5, we have the RecTech RT340 Trailblazer pellet grill. The RT340 Trailblazer is another premium pellet grill option, made even more convenient with a push-button option. Precise monitoring of each cook is achieved with 2 built-in probes that plug into the Trailblazer. Its Wi-Fi technology means you can control your grill remotely. You can also use this model in your backyard or take it on road trips, thanks to the lockable folding legs and easy glide wheels. A stainless steel cooking chamber sets a high-quality cooking standard. You can choose between 6 grilling options: baking, smoking, searing, broiling, grilling, or roasting. Food can also be dehydrated. An automatic shutdown feature is included to guarantee your safety in every possible situation. The grill also features a cool-down mode, which will lower the temperature from 500 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit in 5-degree increments. The low setting gives you the possibility to monitor 2 cooks at the same time. The extreme smoke setting will achieve maximum smoke output under 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The steel cooking chamber also allows you to achieve temperatures above 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The grill cover and pad are made out of high-quality materials, making this yet another impressive pellet grill that is a serious contender for those of you with deeper pockets. So that sums up our top pellet grills of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.